more time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, oh, beautiful release. Memories sip from my veins. Let me be empty, oh, and weightless, and maybe to find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. So tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn there's vultures and thieves at your back. The storm keeps on twisting and keep on building the lie that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no, yes. There can be miracles when you believe. The hope is real, it's hard to kill. Who knows what